embrace the values of unity.
Unity is strength. But don't you see, we are divided, and that's our weakness. Unity is strength.
But how will this benefit us?
Imagine a united India where all princely states come together.
The Statue of Unity is a tribute to the Indian leader Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, unveiled on 31st October 2018.
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was a key figure in India's struggle for independence. He was India's first Deputy Prime Minister and first Home Minister.
National Unity Day in honor of the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India.
एक से एक मिले तो राई बन सकती है पर्वत, एक से एक मिले तो इंसान बस में कर ले दुनिया.
National Unity Day or Rashtriya Ekta Divas is celebrated on October 31st to commemorate the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.
Unite us in the joy and energy. The Punjabis are the best. God's own country, our Onam festival is famous for its grand feast, traditional dances and boat races. There is no other state like Kerala in India, and we are proud to be Malayalis.
Namaste. We belong to Gujarat and celebrate Navratri. Our festival unites us with dance and devotion. We believe this is the best festival in India, and we Gujaratis are the
In West Bengal, we celebrate Durga Puja with full pride and color. Our language, Bengali, is sweet as Rasgulla. Wherever we go, we Bengalis rock.
Celebrate National Unity Day. Let's reflect on Sardar Patel's contribution to India's freedom struggle and nation building.
Your words of wisdom today have inspired us all to embrace the values of unity, kindness and positivity that Diwali represents.